Hello, Miss Jensen, and welcome to Maggie's Math, because I like the alliteration. Today, we're going to be talking about focus and directrix of a parabola. First, what is a focus? A focus is a fixed point, my bad, point that is equidistant from the parabola as it is the directrix. A directrix is a fixed line that is equidistant, I'm not sure if I'm spelling equidistant right, from the parabola as it is from the focus. So now that we know what they are, let's look at their equations. So for a vertical parabola, the formula is y equals 1/4 cx squared. What is the c? Well, that's kind of your focus here. So your formula for the focus is going to be 0 c. Nope, I'm just kidding. Your focus is h, k plus c. That is your point for your focus. Your vertex is, if it's 0, 0, it's hk. Obviously, just some background info on the vertex. So then your directrix for a vertical parabola is going to be y equals k minus c. Now, what is this c here? Well, c is 1/4 of a, right? That can also be reversed. A is 1/4 c, right? So, horizontal parabola. So that was the vertical. Let's look at the horizontal, which is a little bit different, but not much. Oh, we should also probably put the vertex equation for vertical. Vertex equation, vertex form, my bad, just a little. That's going to be y equals 1/4 c x minus h squared plus k. Super cool. So let's go to horizontal. That is going to be kind of flip-flopped, you know? The standard form is x equals 1/4 c y squared. Cool. That is standard form. Now, the vertex form is going to be y. Nope, it's x. My bad. X equals 1/4 c y minus k squared plus h. The formula for the focus of this, it's just kind of flip-flopped. It's the same concept. It's the same way to solve it. It's just going to be h plus c and then k. And then the directrix, I'm not writing on the line, I'm sorry. There we go. Is x equals h minus c. Now, if you're like me, That X was kind of scary, but it's not that bad because it doesn't mean anything. There we go, that's an X. All right, so now that we know that, we have knowledge of that. Can you see it all? Let's try oh, sorry, it almost fell off my water bottle. Let's try working something backwards. Because I think, Miss Jensen, we both know how to work it forwards. I guess I can demo that at the end though. So let's say we have equation that it gives you the directrix, I can't spell directrix, and it's x equals -2. So we know because of this x that it's a horizontal parabola. And it gives you the vertex, and it says that the vertex is 0, 0. Very nice. Now it's asking for the standard form. Standard form, question mark. So let's start with that we know the directrix is x equals -2, and we know the vertex is 0, 0. And we can just HK that. So the directrix, as we go back up here and we can see what the directrix for horizontal parabola is, it is x equals h minus c. So we're just gonna put a little d there. D equals x equals h minus c. Yes, no, yes. So we know that x is -2. We're gonna rearrange this real quick just because I like it that way. So we know that x is -2. So we're just gonna solve. So c has to be 2 because this is 0. My bad, I didn't plug that in. H is 0 because the vertex is 0, 0. So 0 minus c is going to be -2. So c equals 2. Now that we know that, we have to find a. What is a? Well, we know that a equals 1, 4, c. So we're just going to plug that in. 4 times 2 is going to be 8. So a equals 1/8. Now we can put that back into our standard form equation. X equals 1/8 y squared. But we should make it so that it's y squared equals. Okay, did that make sense? So we're gonna get the y squared alone, just to put it in our final form, make it nice and neat. So we're gonna multiply this by 8 because we have this 1/4. Then we're gonna multiply this by 8. So now we have y squared equals 8x. Beautiful. And that is your final answer for that. And I'm gonna do a very Miss Jensen thing and drop the pen and then sign.